Welcome to my channel. How to connect Canon printer to Wi-Fi, any model, easy method. Step 1. Turn on the printer. Make sure your Canon printer is powered on and ready. Check that there are no errors on the screen. Step 2. Place printer near router. Keep your printer close to the Wi-Fi router to ensure a strong and stable connection. Step 3. Go to Settings, menu. On the printer panel, press the Menu or Setup button to open settings. Step 4. Select Wireless LAN Setup. Find and select Wireless LAN Setup or Wi-Fi Setup option from the menu. Step 5. Choose Easy Setup. Select Easy Setup, recommended, so the printer automatically searches for available networks. Step 6. Select your Wi-Fi network. From the list of networks, choose your Wi-Fi name, SSID. Step 7. Enter Wi-Fi password. Type your Wi-Fi password carefully using the printer keypad or screen. Step 8. Confirm connection. Press OK or connect. Wait for the printer to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Step 9. Check Wi-Fi indicator. Once connected, the Wi-Fi light will stop blinking and stay steady, or show, connected, on screen. Step 10. Test print. Print a test page from your computer or mobile to confirm everything is working properly. Thanks for watching.